Alright guys, welcome to episode 3. I'm gonna start this episode off by putting some money into miscellanea, because the herbs are really good. And I think my miscellanea has been empty for like almost a month now, so you really need to put some money in there. So I still got some money in here. I'm just gonna deposit a cheeky 2.5 mil. I need some money to buy a syrup helm and some more potions, so yeah. First hard clue of the task. From the remaining Hellhounds, third hard clue casket of the day, put on the Ring of Wealth. Ooh, and that's really shit. Hellhounds, good. Need to get Black Demon task. I really want to get one of those. Oh my god. Yeah, really hate this clue right now. Plus it's peak time. I'm gonna do it anyways. Like, fuck it. Oops. Yeah, teleport me there. Please don't be my biggest mistake. Oh my god. Fuck are these? Oh my god, are you fucking joking? God. Alright, just wanted to try to give this hard clue another try by just CBA. I just saw someone there at the webs. Just like, not today, I'll just get a new hard clue, fuck it. Alright, time to do some gorillas. Haven't done these in ages, plus I have like kinda shitty gear, so yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully I'm gonna get a Zenite shard because I really want to Ring of Torture. Well, there's my first drop. I'm not sure if I should be happy with this one, but got it nonetheless. Alright, this is gonna be the last kill. Not too bad. I think I killed like 30 of them, but uh, oops. I definitely feel like you need to warm. Oh, hard clue, fucking nice. But I definitely feel like you need to warm up against these if you haven't killed them in a while. Right, just received the casket, and we're gonna. Well, just got another light frame. Fucking happy days, dude. Fuck. Right, let's see. Another hard clue. A bunch of renoms. Alright, just bought a load of seeds because I really need to start farming and I keep putting it off. Oh my fucking god, we actually got one. What the fuck? Oh, and it's almost done with the task as well. Fuck me, I'm so lucky. Right, let's buy the Onyx Stone. Now we can make a Ring of Suffering. Fuck me, I need to cut this first. Oh my god. Alright, let's go try this again. Fuse, please. Oh, beautiful. Alright, let's make it into a Ring of Suffering. Best ring in the game, especially for DMM mode. Let's make a recoil as well, because I need the recoil to imbue it, I'm pretty sure. For those who don't know, you cannot imbue the Ring of Suffering on DMM mode unless you add one recoil to it. So now I should be able to imbue it. And there you go. That's the only ring that you can actually imbue in DMM mode. That's why it's so good. 20 defense in all, 4 prayer bonus, and a permanent recoil effect. So, yeah. Alright, just got the clue casket, and we get. Ooh, not bad. 4 inset and a holy blessing. Definitely gonna use this blessing. Some kind of upgrade, I suppose. Alright, the first superior of the day. What are we gonna get from this guy? Come on, die. There we go. Bunch of herbs. Alright, another clue, because why not? Semi-plate skirts. And love me your teleports, not bad. Alright, let's get a new task as well. Blue dragons. Yeah, don't really think so, bro. Don't need those. Smoke devils, fuck yes. Oh shit, I got it! Oh fuck yes! And that was of a minion as well. Sweet. Well, I got what I came for, but I think I'm gonna continue the task anyway, since the colts are like, what, like 4 mil? So if I can get another one, that would be fucking absolutely great. Oh my god, I just got another one. Fuck me, dude. Oh, 2 occults. Fuck yes. That was another one from a minion, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that was a minion kill. Alright, just sold the occult. Quick and easy sell, 4 mil. Nice. Alright, the last clue casket. I got that from the Smoke Devils. Ring of Wealth. And... ooh. Oh my god, I need that page. That page is worth like 4 mil. Fuck yes. Oh my god, my luck today, dude. Fuck me. Well, that's gonna be it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, dislike, whatever the fuck you want to do. And I'll see you next episode. Thanks for watching.